kind of want to clarify my thinking on how I look to enter the markets. And if it doesn't line up, then I just step away. This is Twilio. Let me just kind of enhance it a little bit. And, I was looking at a buying opportunity if the setup was right. So again, what I try and do is use the energy of the markets. So if I'm looking to buy something, so yesterday we had this kind of key reversal looking thing right here. In the day prior, made a new low, closed on the high, took out the high and low of the previous day. So you had this reversal bar. So now my thinking is if the market opens lower, and I was trying to put a bid in lower, my whole thing is, if I've got this kind of key reversal that this is kind of where I think the risk is. So if I can get in here, I've got a very small risk to hang out and see if this thing will at least go back to unchanged, go back through here. I might have a trade and what have you. But what happened was I couldn't get a lower bid. And then the market kind of opened higher right around 395, 396 and started going higher. So now I immediately canceled that order because I'm not, going to chase something. I didn't think that this was an area where this was going to sustain, a gap. So even though I wanted to buy it, now the whole, I'm looking for a bargain. I'm looking, the whole thing in life is not how much you make on an investment, is how you buy something. If you buy anything right, even if it's in a crash, if you buy assets really cheap, even in a crash, you'll make money if you bought it well. So I'm always looking to buy something well and then look for it to go that way. I'm not looking to chase something here and then, goes here and then what happened? It went higher and then it turned lower. So, what I'm looking for on a situation like this is to buy lower and have the thing go this way. I'm not looking to chase something and then have it go that way. So, immediately when I didn't get filled and, start opening unchanged and going higher, I just, canceled my order and stepped aside. So, it's pretty important, you understand I'm trying to, similarly, if I'm looking to sell a market like DocuSign today, what I'm looking for is a bargain. I'm looking for, these higher prices to have DocuSign open higher and then go lower. And so I'm trying to get it up here. And if it opens here, I'm not looking to chase it and then watch it go back in my face. So I look at these pre-open sessions for opportunities, these little, mispricing, these little arbitrage things where I can get into something up here, watch the market open and then watch it tumble, from there on out. And just use this as my risk. So if I get in here, I've got a very small risk to hang out, see if this is going to work. If this keeps going up, then, I've got a small risk. I get out of the trade and that's what I'm doing. So I'm using, the different looks, the different energies, of the market to try and find these little bargains. So now I'd like to sell DocuSign higher, but it's, it's going to open about $1 to $2. So if I could, put in a sell order around 249 and get filled at 249, $2.50 higher, I'll take that. So this is DocuSign. So it all starts with a picture. I don't just arbitrarily do something. So to me, you have this double top, you have this kind of head and shoulders looking thing, you have another double top, head and shoulders. So there's all these technical patterns. And then in the last 2 days, you have these two reversals here. Made a new high, closed on the low on both of those days. So my thinking now, if I could use this higher market opening, my favor, and it opens here at 249, then I can get in, use yesterday's high as a risk. So I've got a very small risk, but if I can use this higher opening, chances are it may just fall through the day. It should go back through unchanged. So worst case, I should be able to collect $3, $4, $5 on this trade if I can sell it around 250. Sell around 250, close at 246. I'm $3 already in the favor. If it kind of goes $3 and then another 2 or 3, Now I can make $6 on the trade, and I can just get out of that trade if I want, and just make a quick $6 using, this risk as a opportunity. So I might just throw in a limit around 249 on some, and then actually hope that it goes to 250, 251, and sell even some more using that energy. But if I don't get filled at 250 and it opens 245, I'm not chasing it there.
You can see, 45, it's 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So pop out a profit for 118,000 there.
So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts.
I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.